Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. I've driven the car for a little while already, and it is solid. The car sounds amazing. It's probably not going to sound as good in camera as it does in person. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. The car shifts fantastic. It just makes the best noises. The brakes are solid. There is a couple rattles in the back. It's pretty subtle, but I do hear them. Car drives amazing though, no complaints. Of course, I'm not getting on it, but I know this car has a lot of power. It sounds great. All right, let's do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, see a couple little imperfections, very minor though. Face of the wheel looks really good. Now you're gonna have some corrosion here on the inside and typical rock impacts on the edges there. Very common with chrome wheels, but overall that is a good looking wheel. Here on the fender, some great condition there. You do have some rock chips here that have been touched up. This car was fully polished and ceramic coated, so it is looking really good. That emblem is nice and clean. So really on the fender, you just have these 3 rock chips that have been touched up. Here on the side mirror, a little spot there. That trim looks good. All of this is in great condition. Looks really nice. Beautiful paint. You can see that reflection. Looks awesome. Tiny little chip on the edge. Other than that, that looks good. Very common with these cars. You're going to have the bubbling here on this trim. This one's pretty minor compared to other ones that I have seen. Upper section looks good. So mainly just this little section there. Here on the quarter panel, looks really good. Absolutely gorgeous on this side. Face of the wheel, it's in great condition. Of course, the barrel is going to have some of the pitting. Here on the front end, we'll scan the hood. A couple small imperfections there. A few small rock impacts here and there. You have a chip there, a little touch-up spot. Otherwise though, that is really clean. The clarity on these headlights are amazing. They look really good. Same with that light and the fog light. A couple tiny rock impacts. Most of them have been touched up. Little ones here and there. Overall though, that is a very, very clean front end. All right, looking at the engine bay, this looks really good. We will have the full build list on our website in the description tab. You can see how clean all of this is. Even look at the wiper cowl. That plastic looks good. All right, check out the driver's side here. Scanning the fender. Looks good. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Got a rock chip right there. Looking at this trim, that all looks good. That looks awesome. All of that is in great condition. Couple little bubbles, like I said, very common with these cars. This side though looks amazing. I don't see any in this area, but you're gonna have a couple here on the top side. Looking at the door, you do have a gash right here and a touch-up spot. Lower side looks good. See some very fine cracks right there. A little tiny rock chip, and then you're gonna have some chips on the edge. Quarter panel looks good. Here on the back side, we'll start on the deck lid. Looks amazing. That taillight is super clear, and then you do have some damage right here on the edge. That taillight looks good. Just kind of scanning the bumper. Beautiful, beautiful car. Then here in the trunk, got the custom enclosure. That looks awesome. The struts here work perfect. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it smells great in here, and it is wicked clean. I mean, these look brand new. There's zero flaws on those buttons. Plastic all looks good. All the leather up here's amazing. There's really nothing to complain about on that panel. It looks brand new. This plastic looks good. Now, typical wrinkles here on that bolster, but very little wear on the seat itself. Looks really good. Still has that matte finish to it. Looking at the steering wheel, a couple tiny little scuffs. Otherwise in great condition. Those buttons look good. All of this is clean. All of this looks good. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. There's really not much to pick apart. It's super clean. Here on the passenger door panel, all of that is in great condition. Nice and clean. These buttons look brand new. I don't see really any flaws on that panel. It is perfect. Here on this trim, all of that looks good. Carpets are nice and clean. Minor wrinkling, but otherwise in great condition. Same with this bolster. Upper section of the seat looks good. Tiny little scuff here. And then a couple frayed spots on the seatbelt, but otherwise this is in great condition. Plastic looks good over here. Got a couple scratches there. Bottom side looks good. All of that looks perfect. You do have some gashes on that plastic here. And then you have some right here. And then here in the back, you can see the subs, they look good. Seat back looks amazing. Bottom looks awesome. All of this is perfect. Beautiful back here.